YouTube, this is JT the Soldier with another airsoft gun review. Alright, well, today I'm reviewing the Crosman Pulse R39 spring airsoft gun, and I'll be reviewing the Crosman P30T spring airsoft pistol. Now, we're going to start with our R39 here. This gun has a foldable stock, folds out, and it does not come with this grip. I put this grip on there, it's my own accessory. The sights, they flip up, yeah, and then in the back. And since this is a spring gun, you have to pull back this little thing right here to shoot it anytime you want to shoot it. Now, I recommend putting a grip on this gun because it just feels so much better, because you don't want to hold the rails every time you shoot the gun. The magazine is a high cap mag, which means for a spring gun it's very difficult to load sometimes. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Alright. Now, since we're outside, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, see, we're going to do a shooting test with both these guns. Now, a little bit about the P30T. P30T looks like it's a replica of the M9 pistol made by Beretta, and right now I'm going to tell you, with .20 gram BBs, this thing will shoot about 10, 11 feet, and with 12 gram it'll shoot around 30 feet, but they go everywhere. It's not so accurate. It's a pretty accurate pistol. It's at 325 feet per second, and I like it. This kit, I got this in the kit, the Crosman Defender Elite kit, and I got a holster with the pistol. Oh, and another thing, the R39 doesn't come with a sling, so you're gonna have to get one, or if you already have one, great. So, yeah. By the way, the R39's feet per second is 350. I use 20 grams, so it lowers it a little, but it makes it more accurate. So, we are going to do a shooting test. Alright. Here comes shooting test. First, the R39. As you can see, that went far enough, hit that tree in the distance. And if that were a person, it would have been a lower body shot. Now, I'm going to do a test for the P30T. Bear with me here. Shit. Yeah, that's another thing. The magazine for the P30T will sometimes have the spring pop back up on you. It can be very frustrating at times, especially if you anger easily. Alright. slide's plastic, so feels kind of wimpy, but it's a good gun. That shot wasn't so accurate, was it? But it's a cheap little pistol, came with the gun. So, yes, you saw the shooting test of both the Crosman R39 and P30T. That's what the whole gun looks like. It's based off of Night Armament PDW in real life. So, that's the review. Remember to subscribe, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you guys all later. This is JT the Soldier. I'll see ya.